Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world.
Hey y'all, it's Kenny here and I'm back with another video. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you are returning, hey y'all. And don't forget to hit that notifications button so you know when I'm dropping another video. So y'all, I am getting ready to go to Dallas so that I can go to their beauty supply store. It's huge, y'all. I mean, like huge, okay? It has like all of the closures, bundles, got all the Her Baby, all the products you'll ever need. I don't know about that, but it's one of the biggest beauty supply stores in Dallas, so I definitely want to show you guys. Also, y'all, I got about $5,000 worth of inventory from my vendors, and I'm so excited to show you guys because I know y'all gonna like it, baby. So you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get to Dallas.
Y'all, they got the edge tattoos here for $4. I should probably try these. Y'all know my forehead big. Hey y'all, so I actually came here to get some bleach because they have the best price on bleach. I can get this big 32 ounce for $30. So I'm gonna just get 2 of these. I'm trying to get the smash one now. Okay, let me check this one. Okay, it looks good. So I just got my thumbnail. Oh, first and foremost, hey y'all, it's the next day. I did not get a chance to come back and finish the inventory yesterday because we went over my mom's house. And y'all, by the time we got home, it was like midnight. Avish was kind of tired. I was a little tired. So I decided to do it today so I have, you know, a fresh and clear mind. So you guys, I got some sunglasses here, some headbands, some phone case restock, and some new products. Yeah, we gonna get up close and personal, honey, and we gonna get into it. Okay y'all, so now that we up close and personal, honey, we are gonna get into these products. Y'all, I will kind of be doing like a 2-in-1. Like, I'm gonna be getting like my bags and stuff together so that I can actually prep them and pack them, and then I'm also gonna show you guys like the new products because I know y'all gonna like them, and I just feel like I can do a 2-in-1. I find myself doing that more and more with business so that I can maximize my time. Just so y'all know, some of these products are restocks and some of these are new items, but basically I'm gonna just show y'all what I ordered. So I picked up some more headbands, you guys. This was part of the collection I already had. This is just a restock, but I thought that these were super duper cute, you guys. Of course, I don't have the hairstyle that, you know, you really want with this. You want to kind of pull your hair back. You could even put it to the side, honey. It's not giving what I wanted to give right now. However, she is just so super duper cute. So I definitely like this one, you guys. One of my favorites that I reordered, pink and black Chanel inspired ones. So I thought that these were super cute as well. Again, if I have my hair right, it would kind of like, you know, give me a little extra. But I absolutely love these, you guys. I actually wear these when I know I'm getting ready to do some stuff because it pulls my hair back. So these are perfect for your closure wigs and even your frontal or your natural hair. So I really like these, you guys.
And then this is what the black is giving. But like I said, I really like these. I think they're super cute. And it just gives you like a whole dolly look. Like, I absolutely love these. So I'm just gonna go ahead and package these up so that they're pretty much done. Real quick, when you have products that's like loose like this, I don't like to sell them like this. I always believe in putting things in packaging and just doing something simple, like just putting a sticker on it just to brandize it. It's inexpensive, however, people know where they got it from, and then on top of that, you guys, you're not sending it like everybody else. The whole idea is not to look like everybody else, you know what I'm saying? If y'all see, I kind of try to stay within my colors for my brand, even when I'm picking up stuff, just because I kind of know what my customers like, and they definitely love these certain colors. And then also I go on my Instagram sometimes and just ask them which ones they like, and then I know which one to order. So you guys, I did pick up the bags that have the holes in them this time. You guys, I was not doing that by hand. I just was not. I did pick these up from Amazon, so I'll leave the link below, but I'm just about to start putting the stickers on this stuff, you guys, and get started. Check in with you guys real quick, see how y'all was doing. I haven't talked with y'all since like, or checked in with you guys since I think January. Comment below, let me know how y'all are doing, how y'all holding up. Are y'all we outside, or y'all still in the house? You go ahead, done the vaccine, maybe not, you know what I'm saying? So comment below, let me know what's going on, y'all, because I just like to check in with y'all real quick and see how y'all doing. I almost feel like sometimes, you know, people forget that aspect of it, or just asking somebody like how they're doing, you know, it's so important, because you never know where somebody is mentally and what they're going through, and you never know if you can just simply encourage them, or you guys be encouragement for each other. So yeah, let me know below how y'all doing, okay? These are a new restock, you guys. A new restock, oh my gosh. These are a restock, you guys. These are in the color green, and I have several different shades. I have the neon green, mirrored, black, neon pink, green, and classic pink. And y'all, these are just so super duper cute. I feel like this is more of a fall color, however, it is just so popular that, you know, I could not get it. So these are the neon pink. I got the neon green. And I don't know how this is showing up on camera, you guys, so I hope it shows up pretty well. It's giving lituation. Like, it's a reason why I call these lituation, okay? And these are the mirrored ones, you guys. I got them in the black as well. So I picked up these microfiber sunglass bags, and I actually got these from my vendor right here in Dallas. And I did want to get the pink because, you know, I go for aesthetic, baby. So the reason why I like these for my customers and just myself in general is because you can use these to clean your lenses, okay? Sometimes, y'all, you got them in your purse, you got them in your bag, honey, you just out and about, it's getting smeared up, you know what I'm saying? And so you just take this cloth and you can clean your lenses, so you don't have smudges or any of that makeup, any of that. So that's why I really like to provide these for my customers, because it's dual functional. I don't like to do stuff just because it's pretty, you know, sometimes, but most of the time, you guys, it's for a functional reason. So another one of my restocks, you guys, are these circle lenses, these circle frames. These are so super cute. This is definitely giving me beach babe vibes, y'all. Low-key, high-key, these are giving me like her vibes because of the circle lenses, but they are so super cute. Yeah, I forget sometimes what they're called in my bag shade. Now I restocked them in the clear and also the pink, so they have pearls around the lenses, you guys.
These are so super cute.
I mean, they're not giving right now because it's giving granny because of what I got on, but these are definitely a look. Like, I sent these out to Beats by Deb, and y'all, she killed this look, okay, with these frames. I thought these were so super cute. Again, this is more like a lurk sort of situation. They're not everyday, and I would not recommend these at all for everyday. So these are the pink ones, you guys. If I can get it open.
I love these.
So that was pretty much it for the sunglasses restock. So I'm just gonna go ahead and package these up real quick, and then we're gonna move on to the phone cases. Okay, y'all, so let's get into these phone cases. I did have to take a break, y'all. I was hungry. Your girl was hungry as hell, okay? So I needed to get some in my system. Y'all know how you just get into working and you forget what time it is. You don't know when the last time you ate. Don't do that. Don't be like me. Schedule you a break. So y'all, I love my vendor because he always sends me like little stuff that I can try, see if my customers like it, see if I like it, if it's on brand or any of those things. He even sent me this case a while back, which I thought was super cute, and I tried to get it this go round, but he only had the dark pink inside. He didn't have the light pink. I'm gonna keep bugging him to see if he can get this back in, and if he can, that will be great. Definitely comment below, y'all. Let me know if this is a case that y'all want me to start carrying. That way I can see if I can get it in from a few of my other vendors. But if I get enough comments below, I'm gonna definitely figure out how I can get this case in. So you guys, like I said, a lot of these are restocks, and I did get one new product in, which I thought was super, super cute. This is the one, I actually have one out of the package. This is the one that Nikki recently wore in one of her videos, Seeing Green, and I thought that this was just super, super cute, you guys. It even has like the little pocket on the inside that you can put like your favorite credit card and a little bit of cash. But I just thought this was super cute. Plus, you guys, you can like adjust this, which I thought this was cool, so that, you know, if you have a longer crossbody, you can, or if you have a shorter torso, you know, you'll be good. So I really like this, you guys. So this CC case, you guys, is one of my restocks, and the 12 was on back order for quite some time. Even my 11 models were on back order for quite, I think I've been out of these for like 2 months. So understand, I ordered a ton. That's why when I say I ordered like $5,000 worth of stuff, y'all, I was not playing, okay? So I also have these that they started carrying in the 12 models as well. So y'all, I love how heavy the chain is. It's just like pure quality, y'all. What I love most about this particular phone case, you guys, is that it's also kind of like a wallet. So you have your credit card inserts over here. You can put your phone here. I also love the fact that you can turn this into like a little mini clutch if you wanted to. So I love how versatile this particular phone case is, and it's just super, super cute. Who doesn't love this style? Pink, I'm in love, you guys. Okay, y'all, so this is a new one and a restock. So originally they did not have these in the 12 models, and best believe when he told me he had these in, I was there, honey. I was here for it, okay? So I went ahead and picked up the 12 models as well, and I love these because you can put your cash here, and then you can turn around and put your credit cards in here. I love the credit card inserts, and then of course your phone on the other side. But y'all, I love the fact that it's so convenient. You have your wristlet, you have it on your hand, and you're ready to go. I also got these LV pop tops that I thought these were super, super cute, y'all. They match perfectly with our Barbiana cases. I could not wait to get these back in because I know you guys was requesting these, so that you can pair these two together, and they're just and these are just super cute. I also got some more of these trunk cases here, so you can get the little pop top to go on the back. That way it matches as well. And the last item that I restocked, you guys, was this Chanel case.
y'all can clearly tell I love designer inspired cases. They're super cute. They definitely exude luxury, especially if you feel like, oh, I want to upgrade my phone. Sometimes you can just upgrade the case and it gives you a totally different look. So you guys, I'm about to just take all of these out here and start like sorting them out. That way I can see if I have all my models and just check them up against my invoice. Also, I'm going to check the quality, y'all, because y'all know last go round, honey, I was missing whole inserts in my phone cases, and we ain't trying to do that, honey. That sets you back. And I'll update my website and we'll pretty much be good to go. So y'all, let's get started. All of our 12 Pro Max of the quilted pink phone cases done. They're already packaged. It say on the side 12 Pro Max because I don't like to mess up people's stuff, y'all. I don't want nobody messing it up. So I'll show you in the screenshot somewhere in here for my Shopify website. I do use this as my e-commerce. So I'm just gonna put like quilted pink, and there it is here. It says quilted pink phone case. And so you guys, I'm just going to scroll down, and I already know how it's set up on my website. So I know that this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And then as far as quantity, I just like to double check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. I already checked it up against my vendor invoice, so that is correct. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in 16, you guys. And then it doesn't matter if you see like that little 0. It's not gonna make a hill of beans, but you know, for kicks and giggles, we're gonna go ahead and take that out. And then I'm gonna save it, and then that way I'll be good to go. So then if I go back and then click on it, let's see, you'll see that it says 16 for quantity. So we're good to go. Now that we're done with that, you guys, I am going to start the 12 and the 12 Pro models, and then I'm just gonna move on to a different style. But y'all, this is pretty much the gist of it. I don't like to backtrack. I kind of just like to get it done and get it in order. So we just gonna continue doing it.